Let's talk about the quizzes that are associated with the chapters. Usually have 2 of them every week. I believe the first week you have 3 of them. So I am here in my quiz list, and I got here by clicking on quizzes up here in the navigation bar, the green stripe across the top. Let's talk about practice quizzes that you can take a gabillion times. Each practice quiz is unlimited, and practice quizzes don't contribute to your grades, so you will not find them in grades, but you will find them in class progress. Notice over here that it says that I've taken 1 of unlimited attempts, and look at how this column right here is called the evaluation status. So this is indicating that I do have some feedback that an attempt has been graded. As I scroll down, take a look. I've not taken any of the other quizzes. So this right here is how I can track if I've taken each quiz. I should have something here in the evaluation status column that says feedback on attempt. Now, notice how the practice quizzes don't have due dates, and that's because you're not required to take them. They don't contribute to your grade. The graded quizzes have due dates. They show up in the calendar, and they contribute to your grade. Unlike the practice quizzes, the graded quizzes are timed, and you only have 1 attempt. Let's talk about the similarity between the 2 quizzes. So both quizzes are automatically graded by Brightspace. I do go back in and take a look and see if students have consistent misconceptions, and I make comments. But the quizzes have the same number of questions, and each question is randomly pulled from a pool of questions on the same topic. So every time you take a practice quiz, it will be different. And if you take them enough, you'll have seen every question that could be possible on the graded quizzes. So there's similarity between the 2, and I encourage you to take the practice quizzes a few times, not even considering that you could pass it. Just be like, oh, I'll answer what I can. And then you should identify weak spots in your content mastery and go back and kind of strengthen those weak spots by studying those specific things. Don't study the things you already know. Study the things that you don't know on the practice quiz. Take the quiz again. Once you get close to 100, you can most likely take the graded quiz and get close to 100. These quizzes are set up for you to get the best grade that you can. So these are the quizzes that would have to do with the content in the chapter from our textbook. Now, if I scroll down, it also lists case studies in my list of quizzes. Yes, because case studies are given in a question-answer format, and so they're listed here in our list of quizzes. Oh, look, over here. There's a red asterisk next to this attempt. What this means is that I started this case study, but I did not finish it. I did not submit it. That's what this red asterisk over here on the attempts column shows. If I keep scrolling down the list of quizzes, there are bone quizzes, all of these that have due dates. There are also muscle quizzes, all of these have due dates. And at the very bottom is this huge list of random ungraded things. Go for it. Have at it. Right? These are ungraded. They don't contribute to the grade book. You can take them a million times and test yourself. As you can see down here at the bottom, there are also some that are pretty general. Like, is this just a left or a right bone? Anterior, posterior? So that's our list of quizzes and how to manage those, right? Thinking about the evaluation status showing on attempt, and this example down here of a red asterisk indicating a quiz that you started but you did not submit.